how to change Gmail theme settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to change the theme of your Gmail? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser, head over to your Gmail, go to the gear icon in the top right that says settings. Now you can see theme, tap on view all, and you can see various themes that you can choose from. So just choose the one of your choice, tap on it, and then you can even see the preview. So there are even simpler colors below. So just choose the one of your preference and hit save. And there you go, your theme has been changed. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.